Hey! Merry Christmas! Today I'm going to show you how to make your fake Christmas tree smell like a real Christmas tree. Why don't we just have a real Christmas tree? Wouldn't that be simpler? Yes. Yes it would. But many people these days have allergies and can't have a real Christmas tree. So, fake Christmas tree it is. Growing up, in our family, we didn't have any allergies. And when it was Christmas time, we'd jump in the van and we'd go to one of those Christmas tree farms, and me and my siblings would run around looking for the most picturesque Christmas tree. And when we all agreed, Dad and one of the workers there, or owner, would chop down the tree, load it on top of the van, and we would go home. Then for the next few weeks, every time we walked into the house, we were greeted with a... No, not greeted with the Christmas tree, greeted with the smell of the Christmas tree. Many scents take us to a particular memory or memories. Hopefully good ones. In this case, I just shared with you a good memory of mine. Things changed for me when I married into a family that had allergies. So I was excited when I found out that I could make our fake Christmas tree smell like a real one and not give anyone any problems. Bringing back those old warm memories for me and giving those memories for my children to have as well. You can have the same thing for your family by doing one or more of the tips in this video. All of these ideas uses essential oils.
What? Okay, I can make this tree smell like a real tree. Okay, you don't need all of that hocus pocus to make your fake tree smell like a real tree. We'll just go get the smell from a real tree.
Greg!
What?
You're allergic! That's why we have a fake tree in the first place! Before we get started, two things that you need to know to have success. First is that your essential oils are 100% pure, that they are not have any synthetic chemicals, they are not adulterated or cut, that there's no pesticides or herbicides. If there is a carrier oil that you're not allergic to, that organic carrier oil. I have a friend who thought that she was allergic to every single lavender out there. But it turns out the brand that I use, the only one that I trust, she was able to not only use that oil without problems, but use it to help with her allergy symptoms. The second thing you need to know is that if you do have allergies, it is really important to know that you use more or less depending on how your body responds to them. The oils are really good at getting toxins out of our body, and when that happens too fast, our bodies react in a way that looks very similar to an allergic reaction. Maybe a rash or nausea, a headache, and so it's important this happens even with people who don't have any allergies. Trust me, I know, it's happened to me and people that I know. So you just simply need to use more or less depending on how your body is responding. All of these methods use some of these oils here to make your tree smell real. So we have the evergreen trees. There's Northern Lights black spruce, pine, balsam fir, which smells really good, juniper.
Ooh.
No, juniper. Yes. Even wintergreen and peppermint. Those oils are great to make your tree smell like a real Christmas tree. Other oils that are good for just the Christmas season is Christmas Spirit, Three Wise Men, and when you're trying to rush and get things done in time, stress away, peace and calming. And then because you'll have family together, there's joy, harmony, gathering, and gratitude. And those oils can be used in your diffuser, but these are the ones I was telling you about that would be great for your tree to smell like a real one. The first method is you can get these natural bamboo sticks. I got these ones at the dollar store. And you can just put your choice of essential oils rubbed onto it that we just discussed. This is a little long, so I'm going to break this one in half. And then you can just take the sticks and stick it in the sticks. A second method is using ornaments. I have here a special ornament from my favorite company. And what you do here is you put your essential oils in this part here, and these bamboo sticks will absorb the oil and kind of like diffuse it. So you can either have all 4 of them in here, or if you want one stick to smell like one and the other ones to smell like a different scent, you can do that. So I'm going to start with the one in there, and I'm just going to put in some of my favorites. So I have juniper.
Ooh.
Okay, got some juniper in there, and balsam fir, and you can pick whichever ones you like. And you can see that it's already starting to get absorbed in the stick, and you can just hang that on your tree. Alright, and then also there's links below to where you can make ornaments, where you add essential oils to those ornaments that you make and then hang them on the tree. And then also, as you can see, there's ornaments. I saw these ornaments at the store, and they look great. They're made out of wood and they're cute and adorable. You can buy them, add essential oils to them, and put them on your tree too. The third method is to run your diffuser in the same room as your Christmas tree. You don't have to do that. As long as it's in the same room, people won't know if it's coming from your tree or the diffuser. So there you have it. You can have these warm memories with your family year after year. So let me know if you've tried it, if you like these ideas, and if you have any trouble, especially if you have allergies and you want to get to a place where you can use them without problems, contact me via the email on the screen, and like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next week.